So, kung nag-asawa ka abroad at ikaw you're still covered by Philippine law regardless of where you got married.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead. Tuloy mo.
Loud and
Yes.
clear.
So, kunyari, ang situation parehong single, nag-asawa abroad, pwede yun. The marriage will be recognized in the Philippines as long as i-record yung marriage sa civil registry.
Paano kung hindi naka-record, attorney? Kinasal, for example, sa Hong Kong pero hindi na-record sa civil registry.
Yeah.
Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi valid ang marriage. The marriage is still valid but it still has to be recorded. Hindi lang na-record sa civil registry. Ano ibig sabihin nun? That means kung nag-asawa ka abroad at nagkaroon